Hey there, I'm not a real person, but I was created in just minutes using free AI tools. Cool, right? And guess what? You can make one just like me too. In today's video, I'm walking you step by step through how to create your own realistic talking avatar using AI. First, we will create and bring your character to life using Whisk AI. Then we'll make it talk using DreamFace. Let's go. So first we'll go to our Google browser and type Whisk AI and tap on the first link that appears. Okay, and in Whisk AI you have to sign up if you don't have an account or sign in. Now we'll tap on Enter tool to get into Whisk AI. Then we'll tap on Add Images. Okay, we are going to upload our subject, our scene, and our style. Okay, so now let's tap on our scene and add our background image. Okay, so we are waiting for it to load. When it finishes loading, you see that it is ticked. Correct. Then we tap on our subjects and upload our subjects as well. So it's loading. That's why it's going around. Okay. Then we'll tap on our style. So on our style, what I just did was I just tap on that pencil icon and then I wrote hyper realistic. That was all. Okay. When you are done, you click on that cancel button up here and it will take you back to the first interface you saw here. Then after that, we'll write our prompt. So I just have a prompt, I just pasted there and I tapped on generate. That's the yellow arrow in a black background. Okay, so it's generated for us. Then to download our image, you just tap on the image you like. It will give us 2 images. So you tap on the image and you tap on the small download button here and it gets into your device. To animate, you just tap on the animate app there. Then it will take us to another interface. You understand? Yeah. Okay, so this is the animation I was talking about. So it gives you 10 generations for free every month. You just, when you tap the animation, you just write your prompt, and once again you tap on the yellow arrow and it will start generating for you. Okay, so every generation costs 1 token or whatever it's called. Yeah, so we are waiting for it to finish generating, then we'll view our video and download it onto our device. Alright, so now it's done generating. So that's our video. You just tap on the arrow button there and it downloads onto your device once again. Yeah, so we are just changing the name or adding, that's all. Then we tap on download. Alright, so now it's time to lip sync our avatar. Let's make it talk. To do that, we'll go to DreamFace. So you can get DreamFace from the App Store. When you just open your App Store or your Apple Store, just type DreamFace. DreamFace. That's it. Okay. So I already have it on my phone. So let's get there and generate our talking avatar. So going to DreamFace. Right, so when you enter, you have to log in. After logging in or signing up, this is the interface you're going to see. So we have to bring our video. Let's tap on this video lip sync here. Then we tap on the avatar. Now let's look for the avatar we'll be using. So the avatar we just created is this. Okay. Alright, that's our avatar. So this is 8 seconds. Let's bring. Okay, so in DreamFace, you can either type a script and choose a voice. You can import your own or record right in DreamFace. I already have a recorded one, so I'll just import it from my files. Okay, so as you can see, this is a 21-second audio. If this was helpful, don't. Okay, you don't need to bother. You see, choose a session under 30 seconds. Okay, so we have 21 seconds. Remember, we are using the free version. If you want more minutes or more seconds, you have to upgrade to the pro version. Alright, so we have our 21 second. Let's confirm it. So our video is 8 seconds and our audio is 21. You don't need to worry because DreamFace would automatically extend the video for us. It's going to loop it. Okay, so you don't need to worry. So when we are done with everything, you just have to animate it. So you tap the animate button and now it's uploading our photos and it will start animating for us. So it takes about 5 minutes. We wait for it to load. Before we watch it, there's something you need to know. Now you need to know that the free version of DreamFace comes with a heavy watermark. So to remove the watermark, you have to upgrade to the Pro plan. Or if you want to know how I remove my watermark, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a dedicated video for that. Now let's go and watch what we created. Subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of avatar you are creating next. And if you want a copy of my free avatar creation prompts pack, comment prompts in the comment section and I'll send it over to you. See you in the next one.